DuoSoul News, where the news is for the people, of the people, but by the youth. I am Shubhansh from DuoSoul News, reporting some groundbreaking news.
Heavy rainfalls in Dubai. Several flights cancelled to in Abu Dhabi. White House defends Biden's statement calling India, China, Russia and Japan xenophobic. Delhi man loses 3.5 lakh in flight bookings after Shenzhen visa denied. CEO post for job applicant who delivered pizza with his resume. Moon holds more water ice than expected, especially at North Pole, says ISRO study. SpaceX starts booking places for space tourists to fly. Sam Altman, CEO of OpenAI, willing to spend $50 billion on AGI. Zomato faces fresh GST demand on penalty worth 2 crore.
And this is Shubhan signing off for DuoSoul News.